Remember, don't forget the arm fit.
Hi guys, we're back with another video.
We aren't back with another video.
Oh right, okay. You know, I'm just gonna start it. Hi guys, we're back with another episode.
No, we're not back with another episode. We have Mascot, Ian, Dad.
Yes, Ian Dad.
We have me, obviously, and Ethan, obviously.
Ding-a-ling.
And we have not gained any subs. What is up with that? Your eyes are weird looking. And I lost my nuts again. Instead of having 14,000, I now have... Oh no, I was looking at my company coins. I have 980 company coins. I have 100 nuts.
Oh, that's so sad.
But Ethan has some money still.
Yes, I have low-key the money.
Buy me crowbar right now. Buy me flashlight bag.
I don't have any money either. I only have 100.
That's very puny.
Well then, buy your father the things he needs.
Yes, sir.
I didn't get a flashlight.
Yes, I'm working on it, sir.
I bought one myself. This is how much of a waste I am. Just how much work I have to do for... I'm going.
Let's go. Okay, guys. Sorry about episode 12. I know it released really late. It was because
Over, help me.
the upload, it wasn't working. I tried to upload it a lot faster, or a lot earlier than when it came out. And also, I was on vacation. I just got back. Hopefully this comes out as soon as we can edit it and stuff. How many did we have?
We were in 200.
I believe I think 204,000.
Oh yeah, it had to have been.
Yeah, it was.
We made 14,000 that episode, and we had like basically 190.
Yeah, I remember. I just rounded it to 204,000.
So if you do the math, if you know math, then it's kind of obvious that that's 200,000.
Yeah. So you guys have known from the start of this video that we started with 204,000 because I should have put it in the top right if I was a good Ethan.
Open. Ethan, that was so close to hitting the crowbar.
If I threw it later.
There's a nut. Get the nut on the ledge.
Okay.
All right, I forgot about the music.
Yeah. Guys, I love this. Also, you should check out episode 12. It includes a lot of news.
It literally is labeled that.
Yeah, a lot of news.
Your dad is new to this. He hasn't seen this yet.
Oh yeah. Oh dad. That means it's bad. Yeah, he just combusted. Yeah, well, this is our second episode in this new map.
just saying, we have not got on the traitor yet. Yet, better.
Yeah, we haven't really gotten any rare items.
Oh. Ooby.
Yo, my backpack is. Oh my god, I'm full with rare stuff. Only rare stuff. August, take these.
I like the new platforms though. They're like helpful. Like
Yeah.
you can set your
August.
backpack on.
August.
Eating ice egg cream, man. Ice egg cream. Oh, you almost do. You almost do.
We almost do it.
You almost do. You almost do.
Did I just kill my dad? Please tell me I didn't. Okay, he's safe. Don't worry.
Okay, he's safe. Don't worry.
I'm so sorry, Dad. Dad, I'm very sorry. I did not know you were over there.
Chicken's dead. No, don't shoot. Don't.
Oh, okay.
That explosion. Why do I just see a pogo stick bouncing around? Episode 9? This is episode 13.
He found this out. And this is kind of your fault. It's totally not my fault that I shot a piece of ammo at a highly explosive rocket ammo, and you may or may not have accidentally been standing near the impact site.
That site is crazy.
Dad, take these. See, these are treasury. There's bombs. There's not bombs in them. I put the bombs in the trophies. The crowbar is it's crowbar.
Crowbarring around.
It's crowbarring around. August, come here. We gotta recreate it. Era soy tu baile empezó.
It'll never be the same.
What was that? That was way too fast.
It's doing the
Come here,
moonwalk.
let's see if it works on this wall. Oh, yeah, it does.
Works better because it's inside.
Cool.
Where the heck is the bird master, whatever?
The bird master?
The bird nest.
I
Bird master. You thought I could have said anything, and the one thing, the two things
I thought you said bird master.
did not sound like bird master.
It did. It did.
Okay, well, sorry about that, bird master.
You said bird nest.
You know, I forgot what bird and chicken.
Dad, I found a suspiciously new crowbar.
Why is the chicken's nest like in a pillow?
Dad, I found a bar that is made of crows.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Why did you just throw a toilet paper over there? What did the toilet paper do to you?
I found pee-pee bar.
Dad?
Hmm.
You... Are you guys done yet? Oh,
No,
chicken! Chicken!
Ah, chicken! 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 Chicken!
Can I have rocket launcher ammo?
Dude, this new map has a lot
He
more.
has a pistol. Do not give him.
This new map has a lot more golden gems.
Anyone have a rocket launcher ammo?
Episode.
Anyone have any rocket launcher ammo?
No, I don't. Can we just go sell? Guys, can we go sell now?
You might want to move.
Guys, let's go sell. Come on.
Dad, where are you?
Coleman, what the heck?
Wait, that's not
No, once in my life have I seen that. My
Oh, press it!
gun!
No, the gun.
The gun was left behind.
Gun got exploded.
Well, there's the bomb that it wanted.
Boing.
See how much stuff you got, Ian, Dad.
Okay, guys. In today's video, we're gonna be pranking August by saying that we have a YouTube channel when it is actually fake.
Whoa! 5,000.
Oh, what the heck? Hi guys, today I'm pranking my friend August that we have a 100 subscriber YouTube channel when it's actually just a fake website. Let's get into the video.
Oh my god, go. I don't want Ogie to kill me. Do not go to chicken.
Why? Last time I got a whole nut over there. Frickin'. That's so silly.
He probably got shot all the way over.
We gotta find him.
I'm afraid to say this. You don't care?
I don't care.
Oh, we love him.
Joking, we do. Oh my god, 2 trophies! Wow, so cool! So wow, so mad. So malware. Oh my god, wow. What? How did you say gold bar meow? The gold bar makes a meow sound? I have an RPG ammo. August, you might want to come towards me.
No.
No, like, I don't want you to get impacted.
Opposite direction.
Dad!
Wherever you
No, I missed! Ooh, red bomb. Perfect victim. Red bomb. Red bomb. Red bomb, you there?
What the heck are you doing?
Oh, my dad just imploded. Well.
He's Not happy.
Oh yes! Oh yes!
Stay on the landmine.
Oh, I can't. No, it's not me. It's not me on the landmine. I look to the right. Go back and look to the right.
Oh my god! Just don't do anything. It's one wrong move. This whole place is going down.
Yo, this brings me flashbacks to when we played with I don't want to beat this out. Kyron. Man, if I said her name, oh my god.
Unwelcome slaughter.
I'm sorry. It exploded.
Which creatures went through this?
Ooh,
Loot him!
jeez.
Is your backpack full?
I don't know. Is it? What's check?
Oh. What was that? Holy delay. Oh my god!
Okay, a grenade will work. Grenade will definitely work.
What kind of grenade?
A grenade. I guess I'm gonna put it on there.
No, because it'll roll off.
Oh my god!
300 IQ moment. Tell your dad to just pick up every item he sees.
Dad, pick up every item you seize. Dad, pick up me! I'm an item now. I just kind of wish it rocket. What'd you say, Mom? I cannot hear you over this rocket. I keep hearing you over Armstrong trying to kill me. What's that?
Coming back.
Oh, well, I'm here and I have a gold bar. Okay, so look up in the selling machine.
That's your backpack, by the way.
Overdone.
Brother fall.
Wait, how did he not? Oh my god!
The last one. I see your arm.
Then
Oh. And because you were in there, we didn't get as much money.
Oh.
Let me see my headset battery. Oh, we're good. It's at 66 and we have 8,500.
Mine's at. Wait, what is yours at?
Mine's at 66.
Mine's at 65. August.
Oh my gosh, go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm not doing this.
Another zip line? There's 2 zip lines. Just try not to hit any of them. the second I see one disappear.
That's so niche.
Niche? Niche?
Your red bomb. Come here, red
Oh, I
bomb.
see red one.
Oh!
Ah, chicken.
Oh my god, my favorite.
No crap! Somebody go for him!
No! I guess that's all on. There's a problem.
No!
It's a lava attack. Lava.
Just throw something at it.
Okay, I'll throw
You got
okay, guys, back up.
I think I'm backed up
I threw a Coca-Cola can. Oh,
You threw prime cola can?
guys, and this might be the one.
Oh, come on! You had the horrible time!
Man,
No one chicken was here.
if Thicken was there to see that, that'd be insane, bro.
Chicken wouldn't have even been there to see it. He would have died.
True.
Chicken would have thickened.
Oh, you stole my loot!
I stole more too.
That's sad.
I feel like this is gonna make it.
Can I have
The fact that we've already made 8,500 and my hit says at 66% is actually kind of cool.
6-7?
That means at this rate, we'll actually make over 24. We'll make 25,500.
Sure, buddy.
Meaning that cheese ball or cheese.
Sure, buddy.
Stop singing the Verity song.
That's not a Verity. Oh! Oh my god, if you didn't
I
kill it.
killed Red Bomb.
If you didn't kill that thing, I would be dead.
I killed Red Bomb
I'll save that for later.
with a melee weapon. That was very necessary to do.
I have pipe. I have 2 pipe. I have 2 pipes.
Oh!
Very pipe.
Gem. Scary pipe. Where did the land? I heard a landmine get pressed down somewhere, but then I where did the landmine get pressed down?
I don't know what you're talking about, bro. There was never a landmine in the first place.
Broski Nobo. What's up, chicken?
Oh,
Ooh, very sellable. Oh, by the way, Ethan, I have your crowbar.
did you hear that?
I heard an explosion and a crowbar in the lava.
Nice.
What's up?
What's up? I don't think there's any landmines. That's sad. Where'd the landmines
Can't find any
go?
more expensive items, just get other items. No one cares.
Where did all the landmines go, bro? This is so sad.
Nito jump scare.
I can't find any landmines, guys. A lot of the title should be a lot of landmines part 2.
No.
Oh, I just saw a landmine.
Maybe a lot of explosions.
Oh my
that's a pretty
god,
good title.
this is perfect.
Shoot it! Shoot the bird!
What was that? What was that delayed bomb? Oh. Yo, I need to find like a stupid landmine, bro. And then I need also like an RPG ammo or literally like anything.
Yeah, and Dad, is your backpack full?
My backpack is full, bro. Let's go. Let's go.
Why are there so many pipes over here? There's like 3 pipes in a corner.
What? What? You fell.
Kick your dog and you fell in the lava. That's a horrible day for you, my friend. Stupid dogs! Ah!
Oh, guess what you Woo! Where did my backpack go? Ian, Dad, did you know that Animal Company is a game where you get nuts? Yeah.
Gamer gets nuts.
Dad, why don't you have any gear?
What?
I don't have any gear. Dad? What? Dad? I don't think you're in the call anymore. Oh, now you are. Well, where's your gear?
Probably in the lava.
No, I can't. You have to buy new gear when you lose it. Hover pad of destiny!
Hover pad of death. Why of death?
You could also. Oh my god! It's eating it!
I died, bro. I was Junior.
Don't!
By the way, has anyone else?
Oh yeah. You see that guy? That guy's an ogre. Guys, are you? Oh, guys. I'm really sorry that the comments are turned off. I don't know how to fix it because YouTube says we're minors. I guess we're not allowed to have comments on. So sorry about that. Because the past few episodes haven't had comments on.
Wait, you can't have comments on?
I don't think I could fix it. I don't know. I said that my recent videos can't have comments yet. And I can't change it.
Please do.
Smells juicy.
Want? I want it.
August, I have a crossbow. Let me do it. Threat eliminated.
Threat eliminated. Froggy VR.
What?
You remember Froggy VR's comment?
He
said, you'll see stupid. I'm not trying to be mean anymore, but I'm just trying to say, I don't know if I want to let that slide, and I might have to see if you're wrong or not.
Dad, you. Oh my God! I died. Nah. By Chiken. Yeah, Chiken. Yeah, everyone hates Chiken. You take one. Guys, also, can you comment how to turn comments on? Wait, no, I'm stupid.
Get out! Get out!
Well, guys, comment on our most recent video with a comment. And tell us how. Well, trust me, I know, like, I've set it to, like, not for kids, so the comments are on. I don't think you can fix it, though, but tell me if you can, because it says, like, something like, YouTube may disable comments if it includes minors, underage minors, something like that, I don't know. Oh my God, beautiful RPG.
Well, that's say a lot of our people.
What do you mean, like,
40 plus.
Everyone,
There's a gold bar in lava room. Get the gold bar.
everyone was a minor on our channel except for my dad.
I know, Justin.
Guys, I'm kind of concerned. Why are like adults watching this? Like, I saw like August told me it's like 25 through 34 years old. I mean,
There's some people that are like 45 through 54 years old watching these videos.
they're probably lying about their age. I don't know.
Yeah, it's probably just like adults making their kids' accounts.
I mean, I don't know. I mean, seriously, who would,
I think it's just adults making their kids'
what adult would watch a video called Episode 1 of trying to get 1million nuts in the new Animal Company old map update?
Maybe we should just call it pilot, because that's what every episode, every first episode. Maybe we'll make seasons.
Yeah, but the season
And we'll try to get to like 2 million nuts.
Okay, no, but that's just going too far. We need to do like something different.
And then like 5 million.
No.
Map's probably not even the world's probably gonna end before we do that.
The road's probably gonna end before we get a billion. Chicken's back. Back good.
Ah, chicken is back! Chicken!
Guys, you know, from now on, we're gonna say this hopefully in every episode. Comment on our most recent video that has comments on. I think that should be episode 9, if not 8. But like, before your comments, say like, what you're talking about. So like, for example, episode 8.
Wait, can we get your dad
comment.
over here so we can go south?
Yeah, Dad, come here.
We're gonna go south. Fill up your backpack.
Or just put your hands up.
put your hands up, bro.
Ow. I'm super low.
That's it.
No, I said no. No, I said no. I said. Hey, let's check battery, guys.
By the way, guys, sorry.
Holy freak.
Said he was on a vacation for a while. But
My
I just
head's...
want to apologize. That's probably we haven't been making as much content lately, but we'll try to make as much content as possible for a while.
Guys, my headset's at
until,
25.
the world ends.
Guys, my headset's at 25%. We won't be able to do one run. Maybe two.
Can we at least sell that?
So, why is it?
Maybe if we get enough money, we should just probably make another crazy thumbnail. I mean, we have already gotten 15,000.
No, you won't. We're probably gonna get like.
How about we try to sneak in two more?
Go. Okay, but only get bad, like, no, get every single item.
No, like, try, like, get all the rare items.
Yeah, but get every item.
Sure. We can do that for one of them, and then the next one we can just do.
Alright. I mean, not exactly AI. What you mean, like the AI generated or the AI picked? I know, like the ones picked by AI. Because that's not considered. That's kind of not considered AI, but at the same time, it was picked by AI. Was that a trophy, guys? I feel like that was a trophy. I swear I saw a gold glimmer. Wait. Did you guys see that? Okay, I don't think it was a trophy. It changes. Look. It like changes. What is that? Do you guys see that? I don't know. Am I tired? I don't even know.
What does it look like?
Cane.
What does it look
A can. I hear a pogo stick. Yeah. Oh! Oh my god. August? August, look at the land.
Is it even pressed? It's not pressed down.
August, watch this. Did you die again? Yeah.
How'd he die? Oh, I killed him. Wait, shoot it at a landmine.
Wait, we have to find a landmine.
I'm assuming you did.
I hit it with a crowbar. No, not okay. Very rancid.
Oh my god.
I died. Well, it's kind of hard to do anything when I don't have a gear. Remember when I told you about walking landmines? August? You totally believed it. You so fell for it.
Yeah, sure. You guys can go watch that video if you want. Wrong.
Proved wrong.
Oh yeah, let me get some chickens over here screaming in the wall. Oh yeah, that one. Grenade. Or a form. No, cluster grenade. Cluster. Oh!
Ow! Oh my god.
Why did I just do that?
I guess.
Where's my backpack?
I haven't seen a cluster grenade.
Oh my god! Oh yes. Again. Attempt two. Attempt two.
Just don't die.
Attempt two. Attempt.
This time don't die.
Attempt two.
Guys, can we all just like get stuff in our backpack? Ethan, you said your headset was low. We need money.
True.
If we can't get money, we can't make that thumbnail, and our video won't get popular.
Excuse.
By the way, we're still waiting on Chubby or Snail.
Yeah, Trevor's
Come on, man.
down.
It's really that hard to just say a word.
Yeah, not even a
In
word.
fact, I actually commented on one of his videos.
Yeah, like, you gotta be respect.
I see little wet brain, so.
Wet brains up.
Get your father over here!
Father, I must request of you to come over here.
For what?
Do you have your backpack? Okay, just pick up all the items on the way over to the telephone.
This looks rather tasty.
Ethan and I are ready to sell, and this is supposed to be a quick run.
Okay, my head's really the next one.
Plug in.
Actually, so.
Or booster.
Go, dad, go.
It looks like he's going slower.
Yeah.
Yeah, just plug in before you do anything, because the video might cut. We need to.
How did that get in there?
I'm gonna show you that it won't explode.
Okay. Bet.
At least I don't. Not from what I remember. I feel like I've sold them before and they have not exploded. But how do we sell it separately?
True.
Because I don't know. Maybe it'll like explode everything. I'll get it. Okay.
Lack-a-hoo-hoo. Ooh, that was smooth.
That's quite close. Sorry, but that's not gonna cut it.
Go. Oh!
Well, that
Oh my God,
did
my
not
head.
explode. Plug it in!
It's plugged in! See, this is August when he's mad. He goes like...
Let's make this next run a good one, okay?
I see shadows.
I want it to at least be like 3,500, maybe 4,000.
Okay.
Because the last two we have not gotten good. Guys, we gotta lock in. We gotta get good items.
Guys, August getting beat up. That's sad, right? Sad. Guys, please like and subscribe and watch the video because
Hurry, please. Yeah, kill him.
we put a lot of effort into.
And of course, another one of those. Don't you get 2 inches closer.
Guys.
Watch this. Not Shredder. Why? Every time I say no Shredder, I get something else green. And that's obviously the freaking Skunky Bunky.
Yeah, obviously the Skunky Bunky.
Skunky Bunky.
Oh my god, I can't move.
What just happened?
Did I just save my dad?
I think
I tried to save him and I accidentally self-imploded. And then chicken ran away and then my dad was like confused and then it came back at him and killed him, I think. Guys, I don't think we could make this last trip.
yeah, we can. We can do it.
What if I don't believe? I'm not believing. Yeah. Oh, my dad just left. You know what, guys? I have a better idea. Guys, I have a better idea of you guys joining videos. What you guys want to do is, you know, we're gonna make a post. Oh yeah, we can. I guess. The PurboPancakes.com.
Chicken.
Chicken. Jockey. Oops says.
Oh my god, holy hell.
Guys, I just unplugged myself accidentally. I don't know where to plug myself back in. If the video ends right here, well, hope you guys enjoyed. Let me check. Am I charging? I'm not charging.
Unplug or re-unplug.
There's no place to plug. It's freaking broken.
You plugged in the first time then.
Everything's fully plugged in. Come on, let's go. So I'm sorry if the video ends. August,
just give me your stuff. Cause we're gonna make a thumbnail.
Yeah, what? You can only make a thumbnail if we get a certain amount of stuff.
Yeah, we have enough, I think. I have 17,500.
Alright. So I don't know if I'm gonna last through this show, but if I don't, the money's gonna be in the top right, like right now, of how much you got. It's gonna tell me when we get off VR. Hurry.
We always call each other whenever we get off. Yeah. I'm gonna just sell everything. hoping for cha-ching bling.
God.
Okay, good enough. Good enough. That's pretty good.
How much you have? How much you have? How much you have?
21.12.
Wait, what?
21.12. 21,000.
Ooh, okay. 21,000.
We got crazy money this time.
Alright, my headset's at
That's
1%.
pretty insane.
Bye, guys. See you in the next video. Hope you have a good day.
And
Goodbye.
bang.
Okay, that was a good video.
You off.